Hey guys, so we have the same old iPod 2 from all the other videos, and I think today we're going to be finishing off for real. We're going to be throwing him into boiling water. So right now the water's being boiled up, and we'll see you then. Okay guys, so we got the water, and we're going to be timing this. I'm going to have this clock on. Jeez, it's smoking up. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Oh, shut off. Oh, it didn't shut off actually. It's still on. You get the smoke stain in the camera. It's still on. It's very slightly, but you can see it. 15 seconds. Alright. See if we can break 20. It's at 20. Alright, still going. Wow, it's doing a lot better than I thought. I thought I was going to get to like 15 and die. Oh, just flashed on and off. Still going. 32. Come on. If we could get a minute, that would be really good. But that's still far away. We're at 40 seconds. Whoa. How's it still going? Oh, it flashed on and off. Still flashing on and off right now. I don't know if you can see. Alright, it's 52 seconds. It's flashing on and off like crazy. I don't know why. Alright. Okay, it's just flashing on and off. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, I think it's... Oh, no. It keeps coming back on and off. Crazy. I think it's done for good. Alright, let's see. Oh, it just flashed. Let's soak in there a little bit more. Flip it over. I mean, yeah, let's take this out now. Oh, it's really hot. Oh. I'm gonna go throw this in the freezer, and I'll see you in a couple minutes to see the results. Okay guys, so I just took this out of the freezer, and I tried to turn it on. It's not turning on. I think it's shot good. Well, there's some stuff on like the bottom left corner. It's actually on all the corners. I think it must be water damage or something. But yeah, this thing's definitely not turning on. Even holding nothing, it's gonna fix it. Well, you know, it got 1 minute and 5 seconds, which is way higher than I thought. I thought it was gonna get like 25 seconds, but I guess this one was a little bit stronger. And maybe if it didn't even have those cracks, it could have gone longer. So, subscribe for weekly posts, and I'll see you next time.